Yeah, and one thing that just crossed my mind with you mentioning law is, on top of the change, with this greater access to our data through indexing and the interface, it immediately, especially with the law firm, how do we keep the wrong people from looking at the wrong
Mhm.
things, accessing the wrong cases?
Yep.
Uh, you could have a bad actor inside a firm who's stealing stuff for another firm, or, just having a personal interest in a case and things.
Sure. Yeah. And that's where it becomes really important with Gen AI, right? When you hook something like a Gen AI into your organization, think of a Microsoft Copilot. What we've seen is that it immediately grabs its hooks into every piece of data that you have. And what we've seen there is it becomes really trivial for an employee to log into Copilot, for example, and type in a query and say, show me people that got bonuses last year, right? And someone somewhere had that document saved in their drive with incorrect permissions, and it was able to index that. So definitely one of the things that Nutanix is really focused on beyond simplifying the adoption of these Gen AI platforms is data security, data sovereignty, right? We want to protect the AI from leakage of data or poisoning of data. And we really want to make sure that the data that you're providing it remains on premises, right? That's a big deal where, at ChatGPT, if you, depending on the tier that you're using, they make it very clear that the data that you feed into it gets added to the model and becomes data then for other people. So as an organization, you have to ensure that your data does not get mixed into the general pool of data that's being leveraged.